For those of you wondering, yes, I am in fact on a scooter. And no, I do not entirely feel safe. And now I'm one-handed this. Pretty sketchy. Oh, yeah, I almost killed those people right there. And these people. Oh shit. Okay, their scooter has bells. Mine does not have any bells. If it does, I don't know. Hold on. Oh shit. It has a bell. It has a bell. You think anyone will care? Took a swim down here? I don't really think they would mind. It is kind of cold. It's not going to happen, obviously. And I don't think I want to be arrested here in DC either, so. It's crazy to see how much stuff is like going on here. But I mean, it's to be figured, considering the historical spot that we're in. It is beautiful, I will say. I'm hoping this counts for cardio too. It better. I mean, granted, I'm riding a scooter, but it's an awful lot of stairs, so I'm counting this for cardio. I've been told it's life-size. Still cannot get over the monument here. It's just so surreal in real life. Almost hit that guy. And the Capitol building. I can't really get much closer to it. I mean, I can, but my scooter's beeping at me right now. Probably shouldn't be right here with this thing, so. Well, it has been kind of fun touring around all the monuments and stuff, but I'm getting hungry, and I've about killed myself 14 times and about 35 other people, so it's time to get off this. So I'm making my way back to the car right now, and maybe we'll find some place to eat. Again, almost killing people, so. I'm done with this part of this whole thing. Okay, well that was a total almost killed a little kid on that one. So gotta make a couple pit stops. One, I'm hungry, so I gotta stop at Subway.
Make a U-turn, then turn right into the parking lot.
As you hear Siri telling me what to do, you know I don't like that. So I'm gonna eat real quick, and then there was a Home Depot right down the street. I gotta get some zip ties. And one other thing, I think, I don't know, I have a hard time remembering. I have a hard time making a list. So, hopefully I get everything this time. But let's get some food.
So breathe.
So apparently need money to buy food at Subway or a phone for Apple Pay, and I forgot both. I forgot my wallet because I thought I just used my phone. Well, didn't grab my phone, so need my phone for Apple Pay.
Anything else?
A large cup. I just want a water though. Yeah.
Large cup?
Yeah, but I'm just getting water.
Water?
Yeah.
Water is this is no cup.
That's what?
This cup you take charger drink.
That's fine. They'll charge me?
Drink charge.
That's fine. But I want a large water though.
This water this is free.
I have a mug thing that I want to fill up.
এটা নিবো আর নিবো শাস্ত্র দিই
So again, we end up letting everyone just like we do. With no upset until we're done. Nothing to gain, but we're not fooling anyone.
Okay, so let's eat real quick in the car, of course, so I can watch my game. Because the car's been playing and beating the crap out of the Bears right now. Okay, so I gotta get some zip ties. That I know for sure. I'm looking for a T15 3/8 drive. I got one the other day at AutoZone, but it with an adapter and everything else, it was not what I really wanted. T20. It's the smallest 3/8 drive they have. Got the zip ties. I'm pretty sure that's all that I needed. Again, I never remember until I check out, get in the car, and then I'm like, shit, I forgot something else. But here's to hoping that doesn't happen. And it almost happened. Rubber gloves. I'm out of gloves. So I need gloves.
I'm gonna grab my shoes real quick.
Okay.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
You want to do in the doors?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. How long is that gonna take?
Anywhere from 5 to 7 hours.
Oh, okay.
Right
You
around
do it
5
right
hours.
here?
Huh?
You do it right here?
Yeah, right here in the garage.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet, nice.
How's it going, man?
My wife's sick.
Ah,
Not with the run or anything, but you know.
Tim.
Rob,
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, guys, so I am here. This installation I'm going to do in the garage. It's kind of cold. It's going to only get colder. And as you can see, it's going to get dark soon. About 3:30 in the afternoon. This is a late start, so because of the fact that it's going to get dark, I'm going to do it in the garage, close the door, absorb as much warmth as I can, as well as just use the lights that are in there so you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting into this one right now. And so let's get to it.
I'll be coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know I'm on. You know when the click through. Try to send this spot to be a slow beat run. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know I'm on. You know when the click through. Try to send this spot to be a I'll be coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know I'm on. You You know when they click through. Try to send this part to be a slow beat grind.
Let's get the customer.
Sit.
All finished.
Oh yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
This is what I was curious about. Oh, it's not bad.
So pull straight down, and then it'll get it easier once that shock breaks in a little bit.
Gotcha.
And then also, once you build that muscle up, which takes maybe a week or so.
Sure.
So you can hopefully never really use it before.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Sweet deal. Yeah, I love it.
And same to the other side. That shock will obviously break in faster.
This one will?
No, your driver's side, unless you are always driving with someone getting in on
Sure.
the passenger side, but same thing. Come down straight. Just put it in. And that was that movement that I was saying. Just go out until it stops, and then go
And
up.
then go up.
Just get used to that, so you're not like just putting it in awkward positions or positions that could be more compromising.
Okay.
It's a pretty solid system, so you have to try really hard to like damage something, but just like anything else, it's possible. Sure. Your gaps look good, everything's lined up. I'm saying that my opinion is, but you tell me what you think on that. Because it's your car.
No, all looks great.
Close this.
Yeah, looks awesome.
Can't even tell it was taken apart.
Nope.